Hi. If call recording isn't available on your Honor X7e, just like on my phone, I'll explain why and show you what you can do instead. The availability of this feature depends on your region, firmware version, and local laws. So, some devices may not include this option. The entire process takes just a minute, and you won't need to root your phone or install any complicated software. Simply follow each step shown on the screen, and you'll be able to check whether call recording is supported on your Honor X7e.